If you want to see how to simply hand embroider this dandelion flower, let me show you how. All you have to do is make a set of 3 straight stitches repeatedly. First, I'm going to show you how to do one set separately, and for that I drew a straight line. Now thread your needle and make a knot at the end. From the back of the fabric, insert the needle from one end of the line and pull it all the way. Then go back down at the other end of the line and pull the needle all the way from the other side of the fabric. This will be our main stitch, and considering one of the ends as the main point, make another slightly shorter stitch right next to the main stitch on its left or right side. I'm going with the right side. Third stitch will be the same as the second one, but it has to be on the other side. In this case, the left side of the main stitch. As you can see, all 3 stitches have one starting point, and this will be your base going forward. Now let's start with the flower. Draw a circle if you can, or find a circular object and then outline it using a fabric marking pen. Mine is a heat erasable fabric marking pen. Then eyeball the midpoint of the circle and draw 4 straight lines across it like in the 8 main directions in the compass. These 8 lines are going to resemble the main stitch I showed you earlier. Let's start. Thread your needle and make a knot at the end. I'm using 3 embroidery strands here, and it's totally up to you. You can either start from the midpoint or at the edge of the circle. To keep things easier, I'm gonna make all 8 main stitches first. I love hand embroidery, but I'm no expert in that. Because of that, I always try to find some easy ways to do simple hand embroidery here and there. So this dandelion is also one of those. After you do all the main stitches, now let's start with the 2 slightly shorter stitches right next to each and every main stitch. One to its right and one to its left. Mid area of the flower can get crowded, but always try to aim for the midpoint or close enough. It will give the feeling of all the petals deviating from one center point. Now at this point, all the lines are embroidered, and you can even stop it here. But I'm going to go one step further and work on these triangular spaces too. It'll be the same set of stitches for each space. The main stitch runs from the edge of the circle to the far end of the space, and then 2 slightly shorter stitches beside it. It'll be the same for all 8 spaces. As I mentioned in the beginning, this is a very simple embroidery with a repetitive set of stitches. After you have worked all the spaces, turn over to the wrong side of the fabric and make a couple of knots to secure the stitches. finally trim the thread short and you got yourself a nice little dandelion. To get rid of the fabric markings, I'm using a hair dryer because I used a heat erasable fabric marking pen. You can also iron it. Usually I use another piece of fabric on top and then iron things over just to be careful. Now this is how it looks at the end, and I'm really happy with the outcome considering how simple this embroidery is. I hope you'll give it a try and thank you all for watching. I'll join you in the next one.